Windows 11, 25H2, Microsoft skip sign in command. Press Shift F10 key. Type command. Start. ms hyphen cxh colon local only. Press enter. Create a user for this PC. Click next. Choose privacy settings. Click next. Click next. Click accept. Now Windows is installed without Microsoft Sign In. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.